So it's really easy to do these. You just undo all the screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, about 7 or 8. There's one there, don't forget that one. Then you just go around with your tool, just prise them apart. Just keep going around every little bit, don't try and go too fast. And then on these ones you have to pull them to one side and just unclip them. And there's some here as well. So just go steady, it comes off pretty easy. Then obviously you got your SSD here. You just undo this one screw. This is actually the new one I've just put in, but and then it just lifts up and pulls free. Really easy to do. And that is it.